This one is a reply to Mark from On The Mark Couriers, who said, bearing in mind that everyone's complaining and our courier companies may be folding, is it worth coming into the game? Well, I've been doing it 7 years now, so in my experience, there's always been a whinge up. When I was on the markets, there'd always be, oh, the game's gone, oh, it's not what it used to be, it's all dead, it's all flat. This was happening in the 80s, the 90s. The truth of the matter is, there's always going to be three kinds of people. There's going to be the ones that are always moaning when they're making a load of money. There's always telling you they're making £1 million, the Adonauts, Allen, who's making £1 million when he's making nothing, and those will tell you the truth. And also, in every kind of game, now don't get me wrong, sometimes games do go. So with the markets, they've disappeared. That's why I'm doing this, because the markets disappeared. But they disappeared for good reason. Sunday opening, supermarkets doing stuff they did before, and now Amazon. You don't need to go to a market. The market now comes to you. You on your phone, you've got loads and loads of choices delivered to your door for nothing for the next day. Why do you need to go out in the rain to go and get something? Maybe if you want to go and do like a sort of a Christmas market or one in farmers markets for a laugh, but it's not really a thing anymore. There aren't really many postmen anymore, or video shops, or Coopers, but there probably is one. There's always going to be one that survives at the end, you know, the niche market that always makes it to the end. So the question is, and as for the courier game, is the courier game dead? Absolutely not. If anything, it's growing. If you think about the fact that we've now got Amazon, everything is being delivered. Before it wasn't. Before, you get in your car and you go to the shops to get it. Now, it comes to you. Well, if it comes to you, it's got to somehow come to you. And that doesn't just mean the guys in the van that are bringing it to you. That also means the guys in the lorries that are bringing it to the warehouses, so the guys in the van have got it to bring it to you. There's plenty out there. Now, competition might be fierce, because in any growing game, competition does get fierce. And of course, you've got the conveyor belt of fools, which is the mob that for loads of people come into the game, charge too little money, carve it up, then their gearbox goes and they can't replace it, so they have to sell the van and go and do something else. But for every one of them that disappears, a new one will appear, and I call it the conveyor belt of fools. So the question is it worth coming into? Well, in my experience, yes. I'm doing all right out of it. Don't get me wrong, I ain't going buying a gold yacht, but I'm doing okay. It's, you know, it's keeping me going. It's better than anything else I could do. And what you've got to think about is getting it right. It's not always being the cheapest. I was speaking to my mate Lee the other day, so I work for £1 a mile now in a small van. You get the people charging 78p a mile, but it's not worth it. You're going to come unstuck in the end. And he says, oh, I'm getting it. And I've got good feedback. I'm building up customers. It's a matter of coming in. It's everything I've always said. Be polite, be smart, do a good job. Get there on time. Don't colo. Do what you're supposed to do. Build it up slowly. People will use you. Is it worth coming into? I would say yes. Is the game gone? Absolutely not. Everything's being delivered. But at the end of the day, it's you. And it's also, a lot of the whinge up mob will be going, oh yeah, I'm going to work every hour God sends. And then you look at them at 10 o'clock in the morning, they're still indoors. You know, no, mate, you should have been out 5 hours ago. It's how much you prepare. You get in what you put, you get out what you put in. It's not a magic wand, and no one will deliver it to your door. Things I've said all the way along. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. You guys tell me. Are you out there doing it? Has it got tougher? Has it got easier? Have you built customers? This is what we talk about on Sunday. But I hope that helps, and I hope if you do decide to go for it, Mark, I hope you take care and take money.